Good morning. I'm Coach Mac. Welcome to Coaching Math, Middle School Math. Today, I'm going to talk about and work some problems on how to reduce a fraction to its lowest term, or how to simplify a fraction. First of all, I want to say to all the students that's watching that it's very important for you to not give up on math. Sometimes different types of math may be a challenge to you, but what we don't want you to do is, we don't want you to throw in the old towel here, okay? Before you think about throwing the old towel, just take the other hand, bring it back, put the old towel back down, and think to yourself, you know what, I can do this. I can do this math. I can make it through math class. If I put my mind to it, I can do it. If I ask my teacher for help, I can do it. If I ask my parents for help, I can do it. I don't have to give up. Giving up is not an option. I need to learn math. Math is very important. Very important for student athletes to understand that you are a student first and you're an athlete second. So, your education, young people, comes before playing the game. And that's why it's very important you understand that. Okay? Now, reduce a fraction to its lowest terms or simplify. I'm going to give you an example. The example I have in front of me is 3/9 reduced to lowest terms. 3/9 when reduced to its lowest terms is 1/3. How did I get that answer? 3 going to 3 one time, 3 going to 9 3 times. So the top answer is 1/3. The second problem is 6/10. 6/10. 6/10 reduced is 3/5. Because the number 2 goes into 6 3 times, the number 2 goes into 10 5 times. So our answer is going to be 3/5 for that one. Now what I'm going to do, with you highly motivated students here, I'm going to give you something to do. I'm going to flash it up, you write it down, write it down on a piece of paper, and I'll give you time to work it out. The first one's going to be 12/18. 12/18. 12/18. The answer is 2/3. Next problem is 5/30. 5/30. 5/30. 5/30. The answer is 1/6. 1/6. Now, one of the things you'll ask yourself when you're doing this, when you're doing these problems is, you look at the numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator is the bottom number, and try to figure out in your mind what number is there, what's the highest number that can go into both of those numbers. Okay, next one's going to be 36 and 42. 36 and 42. 36 and 42. The answer is going to be 6/7. 6/7. The answer is going to be 6/7. The reason why the answer is 6/7 is because 6 goes into 36 6 times. 6 goes into 42 7 times. That's why the answer is 6/7. $25.75. 25.75. Think in terms. If the easy way to do this one would be to think in terms of quarters. Okay, 25 going to 25. How many times? One time. 25 goes to 75 how many times? 3 times? Correct. The answer would be 1/3. 8/12. 8/12. What number will go evenly into 8, and what's the highest number that will go evenly into 8 and 12? Think about it. The answer is 2/3. Sixteen 24th. 16/24. Work it out. The answer is 2/3. 2/3. 12/15. Reduce 12/15. 12/15. Reduced. 12/15 when reduced will be 4/5. 4/5. 35/50. 35/50. 35/50 when reduced will be, write it down, 7/10. 11/33 will be, reduced will be 1/3. 8/12 will be, when reduced, that should be an easy one. The answer is 2/3. 12/36 reduced will be 1/3. Hope you're getting these, guys. 4/20 when reduced will be 1/5. 9/12 when reduced will be 3/4. 21/28 when reduced, the lowest terms will be 3/4. 25/30 when reduced will come out to 5/6. 5/10 when reduced, the lowest terms will be 1/2. Now the last one I'm going to do a little bit different. So this is kind of a big number for some of you until you learn how to work with big numbers. 300 over 600. 300, 600. Okay, what I did was I knew that 100 would go into each, 100 would definitely go into each one with numbers, right? But that still wasn't going to reduce it like it should be. So what I did was, I think in terms of hundreds. Okay, 100 is going to 300 3 times, 100 is going to 606 times, and I reduced it to 1/3. Answer is 1/3. And that's all we have for right now. Study hard. Ask the teacher questions. Don't get frustrated. Keep a good attitude towards school. Keep a good attitude towards math, and everything will work out for you. And remember, whenever you think about throwing in your towel, just take the other hand, put it back, and say, you know what? I'm going to accept the challenge.